That's a weird tempo at the end of it. Does that sound okay?